to consume the information. Um, as data analytics practitioners, we're using, R, Python, SAS, SQL, and so forth to crunch the tons and tons of data, millions of transactions, right? Once we import it, we clean it up a bit, as well as, manipulate it, merge a ton of different tables together, add calculations and summarizations. We'll take that millions of transactions to something more at a summary level, so it becomes like 10,000 rows or 100,000 rows. Once we do that, we don't want to keep it in our tech stacks. We want to be able to disseminate the information with our users or stakeholders. So we will export all of that information into Excel for them to consume. And in Excel is just a tab where you get, columns and rows. So what we will do on top of that is add charts, like as you mentioned, bar graphs, etc., some sort of visual, so that it's not just numbers and fields and values, but there's some visualization adds to it beyond Excel. And that's what they'll use. They'll use Excel